Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me this afternoon for our virtual Penn Foster Open House. So excited to be here with you today. Today, we're going to talk about career school, gaining the knowledge and skills that are needed to succeed. So, again, this presentation is here for you to learn a little bit more about our career school so you can learn more about that knowledge and the skills and how that's so important for you in your career. A lot of today's session will be an overview of what we discussed with our college presentation the other day. However, some of it is new and focused towards the career school. So my name is Nancy Moretti. I am the Associate Dean of Education here at Penn Foster. School has always been very, very important to me. I have a diploma in early child care that I earned from Penn Foster way back in the 80s. I have an associate's degree, a bachelor's degree, 2 master's degrees. I'm working on a graduate certificate, and I was seeking a doctoral degree. So school is something that is really, really important to me. I feel that with education and experience, you can really grow within the workforce. So when you logged in today, you saw a control panel that looks sort of like this. If you click on that orange box, you will be able to expand or collapse that control panel. From there, you'll see a telephone number. If your audio is not working very well on your computer and you'd like to call in, you can call in from that telephone number that's on your control panel, not the one that's showing on the screen right here. And you should be able to hear me. I'm the only voice you're going to be able to hear. We cannot hear anything that you're saying in the background. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to add those to the questions box, and I will either add that to my presentation or I will answer it for you either as we go along or at the end of this afternoon session. The abstract for this presentation is it's time to advance your career or start a new one. Learn more about Penn Foster's career programs, many of which offer certifications to help you advance your career or get your foot in the door. Can you tell me, are you students here at Penn Foster already? If you can write that in the answer box, that would be wonderful, or in the questions box. Are you students already? Are you in our career school, our college? It's always nice to get to know a little bit about who I'm presenting to. So we know that it really truly is not a secret. The correlation between education and career really is important, right? When you have education and experience, you can really advance your career. It opens more opportunities to you. So career advancement is significant, especially for people who have been working in that same job for a long, long time. Maybe they want to learn something new, they want to advance within their company, or perhaps they even want to move into another career. So education is really a fulfilling way to gain that knowledge that you need in order to open your doors to more opportunities for you. In our career school, we have programs that are not only related to career opportunities, some of them students take because of personal reasons. We have a gourmet cooking program. We have a sewing program. We have a jewelry making program. So we have lots of students who take those programs just for the fun of it because it's something that they're really passionate about, and maybe they'll do this on the side at their own time. So our programs are certainly not only to help you open those opportunities in the workplace, but some of them will help you to, explore your passions as well on a personal level. At Penn Foster, we have self-paced programs and diploma programs. And diploma programs that are designed just for you. They're here to assist you in meeting your individual needs. Many of our students complete their diploma programs in as little as 4 to 6 months. Some students do take longer. We sometimes give you anywhere between 6 months and 18 months for a diploma or a career school certificate program, really depending on the program that you are enrolled in. You're going to set the pace that works for you. One of the most recognized advantages of a certificate or diploma is to really help our students to have that entry-level position, to get their foot in the door. So regardless of your career program, depending on your career goals, this program, our certificate program, might be the right one for you. So what is a career school program? A career school program is an excellent option for students who have career goals in mind, but need a foundation before diving into their field. As you'll see on the following slides, Penn Foster has many career school programs that are tailored to career fields that do not require a college degree, but will still prepare people for entry-level positions. Yet some people enroll in our programs for personal knowledge just to fill those passions. So instead of an associate's degree or a bachelor's degree, a career school diploma or certificate might be what's right for you. There is one thing I want to share with you is if you're in these programs, our career school programs do not have transfer credits into a college. So that's a question that many students do ask of us. Can I transfer this program into a college program later? The answer is no. In these programs, you'll be earning continuing education units, which is much different than college credits, okay? If you have any questions on that, you can certainly type those in the questions box, and I will be more than happy to answer those before we log off today. A career diploma. With Penn Foster, you can take your first steps towards a new career, building your resume, or pursuing current or new job opportunities. Whatever your next career move, Penn Foster's Career School Diploma programs are designed to help you gain those skills that you need for your work and family obligations. Plus, with our self-paced programs and our strong instructor support, you'll be able to find the help that you need every step of the way. We've got lots of wonderful programs. Here are our current programs that we have. So we have an ABC wedding planner. We have lots of brides who are taking this program for personal reasons, not because they want to become a wedding planner, because they want to plan their own wedding. So a nice program for somebody who wants either to grow within the career of being a wedding planner, or somebody who wants to plan their own wedding or their child's wedding, right? And you'll see the same thing with many of these programs. Our catering program, same thing there. Desktop publishing and design, you can use that for personal or professional reasons. Dog obedience training instructor. When I first started working here at Penn Foster, my husband said, oh, enroll me in that program instead of paying for a dog obedience instructor for our dogs. Maybe I could take that program and maybe I could do it myself. So lots of wonderful programs here at Penn Foster within our career school that can help you either to grow within your career or get you that knowledge that you need to get your foot in the door, or to help you with your personal growth. As far as our career school, we also have, we help you to gain the knowledge for in-demand skills for today. No matter what you hope to accomplish in your degree, we offer a variety of online certificate programs as well. Plus, our affordable tuition and self-paced programs really help you to improve your skills. So really important that if you're interested in any of these, to call an enrollment advisor so you can talk to them about these programs immediately. Some of our current career school certificates are listed on this page. Spanish, a wonderful program. Many people want to learn Spanish. They enroll in this program either for personal reasons or professional reasons. Child psychology, have lots of parents who have children who may have developmental issues who are taking this program, as well as people who want to work in the field of early childhood, or maybe want to work as a psychologist someday, but they want to get the feeling of the classes right now. So they take this program, see if they're college ready. They take these career programs. Once they complete these, they say, yes, I can do this. And then they move on and they go on to college. So lots of students in our career certificate and diploma programs do that. We also have personal caregiver skills. We have paralegal programs, Microsoft Office programs. So again, lots of programs that can be used professionally or personally. My son is interested. He's going to finish his MBA in 6 weeks, and he's interested in starting our fitness and nutrition program as soon as he's done his MBA. And he wants to do that just because fitness and nutrition is so important to him. So lots of different programs for you for either professional growth or personal knowledge. Does anyone have any questions at all? We got through this presentation really quickly. Any questions? Okay, well, it doesn't look like there's any questions, but I do want to share with you that we have a graduation ceremony each and every year for students who are enrolled in our college or our career programs. So if you are interested in any of these programs, I do hope to see you at a future graduation. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions at all about Penn Foster, please call us at 1-866-833-5103. Again, it's 1-866-833-5103. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, everybody.